Building strong relationships with communities. What is community engagement? Definition: community engagement is an active process involving the community in planning, execution, and evaluation of initiatives that affect them. Benefits: strengthens the relationship between the company and the community, creates loyalty and support from the public, enhances the company's reputation. Why is community engagement important? Builds trust and a positive reputation, understands the needs and expectations of the community, increases visibility and attractiveness of the company, provides valuable feedback. Education and training. Definition: provide free training or scholarships to community members. Partner with local educational institutions. Objectives: enhance community skills and knowledge. Support local human resource development. Example: activities, workshops, seminars, online courses, social activities and volunteering. Program description: organize social activities and volunteering opportunities for employees and the community. Objectives: increase social engagement and cooperation. Support local social initiatives. Example: activities, environmental cleanups, fundraising events, donations. Partnerships with local organizations. Program description: collaborate with nonprofits and local businesses for joint initiatives. Objectives: expand reach and positive impact. Strengthen relationships with local stakeholders. Example: activities, sponsorship of community events, support for local programs. Innovation and sustainable development. Program description: implement innovative solutions supporting community sustainability and well-being. Objectives: address local challenges with innovative solutions. Promote sustainable practices. Example: activities, renewable energy programs, waste management initiatives. Measuring community engagement success. Evaluation methods: community satisfaction surveys, analysis of social and economic impact, feedback from partners and participants. Key indicators: increased engagement and participation, positive changes in the community, enhanced company image. Conclusion: community engagement is essential for building strong, mutually beneficial relationships between the company and the community. By implementing the proposed programs, education and training, social activities, local partnerships, and innovation, we can make a significant positive impact. Thanks for watching.